Dear friends, students and members of the Himalayan Institute, before I invite you to a wonderful program which I am about to offer, I wish to express my gratitude and congratulate you for empowering us to be in the forefront of yoga, meditation and spirituality, and be the voice of time-tested wisdom of the ancient masters. As the lead faculty of the Institute, I am humbled to see that in the past 50 years, the Institute has emerged as a premier resource of knowledge. It is in this context, with a great sense of pride and gratitude, I announce the commencement of the best of the knowledge and the experience that we have inherited from adepts belonging to a wide range of the traditions. This comes in the form of one of the most profound courses that I have ever offered here at the Himalayan Institute. And the name of that course is Kaya Kalpa, the alchemy of youth and longevity. Our more than half a century of existence actually takes away the privilege of hiding our true identity. And that true identity is that Himalayan tradition for centuries has been the custodian of Rasayan Vidya. Rasayan Vidya had been at the helm of yoga, Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, Tibetan medicine, Unani medicine, Siddha medicine and Western herbology. You may be wondering, what is this Rasayan Vidya? It is the science of alchemy designed to restore and further reinforce the intrinsic vitality of our body and mind and arrest the plundering nature of aging. This age and time is clearly marked by a drastic decline in our strength, stamina, vitality, virility, retentive power, enthusiasm and confidence. Kaya Kalpa, grounded in Rasayan Vidya, holds the solution to this drastic decline. And why? Because it stops the leakage of our psychosomatic resources and recharges our body and mind with innate vitality and cognitive sharpness, and assists us in maintaining our youthful energy for our entire span of life. With this course in Kaya Kalpa, we aim to present the gift of masters, the Kaya Kalpa specialists, to the post-COVID world and make our contribution to the urgently needed innovation in the field of integrative medicine. With this letter, my friends, I invite you to join me in this most powerful program, which we all know will serve an urgent need. And that urgent need is how to live long and live well. There are many, many details, but I think it's not appropriate to write in this letter. And very soon you will hear more and more about it. But one thing I can tell you with great confidence, that what I'm going to offer is fully ripened fruit of my 44 years of teaching in the United States of America and in the rest of the world. With this invitation, I request, please take advantage of this fruit of my 44 years of teaching, which has ripened when I am already turning 70. And I want you to see that there is a way that we can maintain our youthful energy and vitality and remain fully valid throughout our life up to the last breath of our life. Thank you very much. I hope that you will take time to learn the science and art of living a fully energetic, vibrant life. Once again, thank you. God bless you.